Okay guys, for this DIY you're gonna need your hot water, a container, a pair of scissors, some rubber bands, and a towel. Just trimming off the excess here that we don't want, those flyaways, those that basically didn't get into that plait. So we're gonna take those off. I do apologize for the size of the video. I guess we live and we learn, right? Alright guys, you don't have to get every one of those strands. Whatever we don't get, we'll tame those with the hot water and our foaming mousse. Alright. So what you see me doing there is basically getting the ear into smaller sections so we can get it ready to be hot watered. So basically you just hold a section of the hair and you want to get it down as far as possible into that water, okay? I'm going to be doing the same thing to all sections until everything is completed. Once you remove the hair from the hot water, you're going to want to dry that right away. You don't want to burn yourself. Now that we're finished trimming and hot watering, I'm just gonna take my hair and bring it up into a bun And then I'm gonna lay my edges with some edge control, and I'll finish off by spraying the hair with some olive oil spray. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you like the video, then go ahead and give it a thumbs up. I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.